Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Sparkle Cooking. In today's video, we will unleash the recipe of Meethi Tikiya. So, let's start with the ingredients. 1 to 2 cup of semolina, 2 cup of plain flour, 1 to 2 cup of grated coconut, 1 to 1.5 cups of milk, half cup of finely ground sugar, clarified butter or oil as desired, 10 cardamom pods. Recipe: in a mixing bowl, soak the semolina in milk for a while. When the semolina gets soft, then mix it in plain flour, grated coconut, sugar, and cardamom powder, and knead it with oil or clarified butter. Now cover the dough and let it rest for 1 to 2 hours. After 1 to 2 hours, make balls of dough and roll it like a loaf. Now cut into the small piece of tikya with the help of a round bangle or cap. Heat oil or clarified butter in a deep pan, then deep fry the small tikya. When it turns in golden brown color, then take it out. Delicious and crispy Meethi Tikiya is ready for serving your family and friends. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos, and share them.